Good afternoon. Hi Philippines and hello America. I asked my husband to take me there in the store and the gasoline station to get me a ticket. So my husband drove me there and I cannot wait. On the way home, I start scratching it. And I seen it. Where is that? And I seen there is a winner. You can see it, huh?
Which one? Oh, 22, yeah.
Yeah, I seen there is a winner, but I want to show you guys what is the price, okay? And before that, I want to scratch the wrist first, okay? Now, got in. All right. Now let's start the new one, and I will scratch that later. The last one. What is the price? Now we start. Is I don't know. It's the first time I have this Lady Luck. I don't know. Went up to 150,000. And there's a bonus. I scratch the bonus first. The bonus is 2050. It is match your two numbers. Then didn't win. Now we start over here. Oops. 1 and 2, 377, no. 45, 46. Why? It should be 45, 45. 40, 48. 76, 29. 49.80. I can't bingo this. 26.38. Why did I do that? 41.40. What? $12.44. 35.50. No, I'm getting far. 60.15. 19.18. 44.54. No winner. Ah, 41, 42. Last one. No winner. No winner. I want to look at in the back. I never see in the back. Oh, there's no winners, guys. Scratch, 21 chance. Now we start the second one. There's no winner in this. We start over here. Oh, we start over here, the price. I change it. We go past like that. Too small. I need a bigger one. Can I have bigger one? Never mind, next time. Look at this, guys. Look at these prices, guys. I want this 150,000. I want 1,000, 100,000. What is in here? There's another 100,000. Oh, no, it's not 100,000. There's another man. Let me see. Yeah, man. 1,000. I want this. 100,000. 50. Okay. Let's start again. Yeah. 33, 19, 28, 37, 70, 11, getting farther. 23, 80. Now it's running. 32, 32, 332. 50, 49 minus too much. Look at that. 50, 49, 50, 49, 54. 32, 31. Just one different. This is fun. 46, 58. $31, 1. Okay. I have running nose. Maybe it's a lot. Are you looking? 30, 37, 36. Blow the nose and then wash the hands and scratch. Maybe a lot. Uh, 22, 51, 3, 22, 37. Ay, 36, 72. 76. Another one. 21, 60, 34, 12. No winner. No winner, guys. No winner. No winner hand. Let's see the bonus. There is one more, the bonus. Uy. No winner also. No winner. Okay, let's see which one, the first one. This one. Okay. Now this is the first that I scratch it on the way home because I cannot wait. I'm gonna scratch the winner. I seen the winner there. I did not see the price yet. Let's see. No, this is it. Okay, where is that? Then, ta-da! Oops! I sent a 5. Okay, this is $5. $5. Is that 5? No, $5 only. Oh. I don't want to scratch the wrist, guys. I know it's not a winner. I just want to see the price of the 22. $5. Ta-da!
See it. Hold on. Put my hand there. There you go. $5. Okay, guys. Maybe next time.
Alright. I scratch. Sometimes I scratch more than this, but this time I have, because this is about like what, $40, and I scratch and I win 20 and I go back because I win again. Now I bought 3 because only 15 from 40, 20, and then 15, and then now 1. So I won $5. Maybe next time. Wait and see. We're gonna hit the 1 million one day. See you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the notification. Thank you guys. Bye bye.